exercise 6.2 in that fifth one question. See what your fifth one question. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm, and taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So this question we solving by step. So first step, draw one line segment AB which have a length 8 cm. Now we drawing this line segment AB which have a 8 cm distance. This like we drawing that 8 cm line segment. Okay, we'll draw now. This now name what? A and B. This AB line segment give how much centimeter? 8 cm line segment we drawn. Step 2. Now take A as a center and taking as a radius how much? 4 cm. Take a compass. In that compass take a how much centimeter? 4 cm from your measure scale. Now we taking that 4 cm. 0 to this 4 cm distance took in a compass through this measure scale, and here center of the circle which is we consider A, needle of this compass put on a point A, and what do? One circle draw this like. Okay, drawn. Now another circle which have a center B, but radius how much give there? B as a center, and another circle of radius is a 3 cm. So now again one time 3 cm distance take in a compass from your measure scale. Here 0 to this 3. We took another distance from here from measure scale, and needle of this compass put on a point B. Another one circle draw which have a 3 cm distance. This like we draw means we getting another circle. These two given circles we drawn. Here first circle center is A and another circle's center is a B. Now step 4, in a compass take more than half of this AB. Needle of this compass put on a point A, one arc draw upside, and same downside one arc draw. Okay, now needle of this compass again one time put on a point B, and one upside and one downside draw. These two intersecting arcs we getting. In step 4, what do? One straight line draw which passes through these intersecting arcs. So by using this scale we now drawing one straight line which passes through this intersecting arcs. If we draw means we getting this intersecting line where this intersect this AB. That point name give a M, which is the midpoint of AB. It means this M divide this AB in two equal parts. It means AM is equal to MB. In step 6, take a AM distance in a compass. AM distance take in a compass, and needle of this compass put on a point M, which is center of this new circle, and one circle draw which passes through this A and B. If you neatly observe means this new circle intersecting given two circles at point here, and here. These names we want to give. This first point intersecting point is a P, this another, this is a Q, this is a R, and this is a S. Where we are intersecting these points that we want to now join. In step 7, what do? Join these points, that is a AP, which is the first tangent through center of this first circle, and similarly AQ join, which is another tangent through center of this first circle. Similarly now BR and BS join this. If we join means we getting another pair of tangents of center of the circle, second one, which is the center B. which is a required construction for this given question. This like you can easy to solve. Thank you for watching.